Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, mga kaibigan. Ito na naman po ang aming isang malapit na matapos na project. So, Pearl White, Mazda CX-5. Finishing by Motok yesterday. Yan, ganda na daw niyon, kanyang gawang yun. Oh. Natanggalan na ng dikit. Lalabasan namin sa salang ng mga ibang parte ng ano. Tapos ito na yung mga kasunod na isasalang sa oven. Ang kanya mga parte-parte. Ayan na. Front bumper, rear bumper, hood, and other parts are there. The side mirror are there. Let's see. Side mirror. And the handle. Yan, ito na po susunod at tapos na kami. And then Honda. And then the X-Trail. And our also painter, Roland Reforma from Taiwan.
Wash out. Wash out. Wash out.
Ayan na, sila. Okay guys, Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. Mamaya naman ang update ko sa and also this unit, Honda Civic. This is strip to metal. Ayan o. Strip to metal Honda Civic ESI. This is 95 model. And also this one. Okay guys, Happy New Year. Bye bye. Bye bye guys. See you soon. I'll give you update after tomorrow. Or yesterday or this afternoon, I'll give you update for our work here. Okay guys.